Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is decimals. But before that, we'll discuss some basic parts of decimal. Suppose a number is given as 2.35, right? The right hand part of this decimal point, this point is known as decimal point, right? The right hand side of the decimal point is known as decimal part, and the left hand side is known as the whole part. So any decimal is consists of whole part plus decimal point plus decimal part. In some cases, whole part is not present, such as a number is written as 0.8, right? The whole part is 0 and the decimal part is 8, right? Any number is written as 2.5, another is 0.45, another number is written as 13.472 or 92.4825, right? Right hand side is the decimal part of decimal point. Here only one number is written after decimal. There is 2 number, here is 3 numbers and 4 number. It is denoting as a decimal places. Decimal places, right? Here 1 decimal place is, here 2 decimal place is written, here 3 decimal place is written, and here 4 decimal places are written, right? After that, there are 2 types of decimals. One is like decimals, another is unlike decimals. Right? If numbers are written as 2.50, 0.45, 3.92, 13.47 or 4.25, right? And in this part, suppose number is written as 0.8, 19.272, 2.4525 or 13.07, right? So here you can see that in like decimals, the decimal places are same decimal places, right? Means here we have 2 decimal places, here also, here also, here also, here also. Means in each cases the decimal places are same, and if the decimal places are same, they are known as like decimals, right? And if the decimal places are not same, means here we have 1 decimal place, here we have 3, here we have 4, here we have 2, right? So if they are not same, means if there are different decimal places, that decimals are known as unlike decimals. Right? One important thing, in decimals, suppose a number is written as 2.4, which is also equal to 2.40, and that is also equal to 2.400, and so on. right? So if you put 0 to the extreme point, means after the number or decimal place is written, all are same, right? And either you can also say that equivalent decimals, right? This is important to know, right? If you put zeros after the decimal places, means if the number is given as 2.4 and if you put either 1 0 2 0 3 0 and so on, the number is same, the value is not changed, and you can also say it as equivalent decimals. Let's come to next point. So next point is place value chart. Suppose a number is written as 392.475, right? And you have to put this number into place value chart. So first we have to understand the place value chart. Here the decimal point is, right? After that, this is written as 10th, 100th and 1000th. And before decimal, this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place, right? So you can write it as hundreds means 100, tens means 10, ones means 1, decimal point, tenths means 1 divided by 10, 100 means 1 divided by 100, and 1000 means 1 divided by 1000, right? Then draw the chart. Right, number is written as 392, means 392, 300, so 392, the decimal point, and that is 475, right? 4 means 0.4, 1 by 10, point, this is 0.47, means 7 part is at 100th place, 1 by 100, 5 is at 1000th place, so 1 by 1000, right? And here you know that ones place, tens and 100 place. So you can, if you have asked any question or if a question is asked, you have to place the place value chart of the given number. So follow this chart. Let's come to comparing the decimal. Comparing decimals, right? Question is given as 0.827, 4.5, 0.2, 9.27 and 7.2, right? So if you have to compare this, means arrange it in ascending order. So first thing is that you have to convert it into like fractions. Means this is written as convert it into like fraction. There are 3 decimal places. So put as many zeros which are less. So 0.827, so 4.500, 0.200, 9.270 and 7.200. Right? There are 3 decimal places. Here there is 1 decimal places, so we have put 2 zeros. Here 1 decimal places, we have put 2 zeros. Here 1 zero and here 2 zeros. Right? So this is converted into like fraction. Then we have to arrange it into ascending order, means least number should be written first. So in this we have to compare first the decimal part. So this is least, so 0.200. After that 0.827. After that 4.500. And then 7.200 and then 9.270. This is the ascending order. Then write the original part which is being asked. So this is written as 0.2, 0.827, 4.5, 7.2 and 9.27. Right? This is the ascending order. Right? So whether the question is asked to arrange in ascending order or descending order, first you have to convert it into like decimals and then compare. Right? If there is question is asked for the ascending order, compare the decimal parts first, and if the question is asked about the descending order, compare the whole part, because in descending order the biggest number should be written first. So now come to next part, conversion of decimal into fraction and fraction into decimal.